Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my another video. So guys, first of all, thank you so much for watching and giving your precious time to watching my videos and write a uh, positive comment for me that motivate me to be a great speaker, great enhancing skill in my English and be a confident in my life. So you just realize, you just watch my confidence. This is very upgrade as compared to my first video and right now. So guys, thank you so much, it's very really appreciate me. And when I try to enhancing myself as any kind of things, new things, it's be very definitely work. So thank you so much guys. So before wasting time, I'll just start my today video. My today firstly I'll tell you what's the time. It's a 11 March 2026 and time is 2 p.m. and I'm recording myself to be a native speaker in English in my life, and that's really helpful for me. So before I start the video, I just start as usual. I'll just give my introduction to you and tell you what I'll done in my today whole day right now. So uh, I start my introduction. Good morning everyone, my name is Abhishek. I'm from Himachal Pradesh district Una, and I did my plus 2 from Senior Secondary School Lahara in 2019. After that I'll done my industrial training in Government Industrial Training Institute Nahran Pukhar in 2021, and now I'm pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Sant Baba Bagh University Jalandhar. And right now I am in my sixth semester, and I'm passionate about data scientist, and I work of it. I work for it. I've done all the analytics part that as used in data science. And if I'm talking about my hobbies to play like a football. I'm so sorry, to play like a cricket, sports, and go to a gym. That really helped me to be a fit in my life. So that's it, guys. That's my introduction. So I just start today my what I've done my whole day as instead of right now. So today I wake up at 8:30 p.m. a.m. I'm sorry, right, and after that I done my morning routine and have my breakfast. After that I'll start my today study journey at 9:40. I take a little bit break for my refreshment at the morning. Just so today I'll cover the statistics part like correlation, covariance. What is the covariance, correlation? What is a percentile? Difference between percentage and percentile. And how to what's the formula of percentile? How to calculate the all the tiles? I mean percentile, quartile, quantile. There are lots of parts. Quantile is the quartile, is the percentile. So they all are covered at a single percentile formula. If you know what percentile, how to find a percentile, usually usually uh, uh, can find the what is quartile. And I just learn 5 number series that we can say as a as a in the form of video we can say the box plot. And how I understand what is the whole box plot it is saying to a person, and how explain in front of anyone what's the main use of this box plot. So that's a part. And that's what my today journey. So I just start with my introductions. Okay, I'm so sorry, my cue cards. mm, okay, describe my favorite teacher. So guys, as at that point in my at the end of six at the end of the sixth semester, there are lots of teacher. I have a lots of best teacher that teach me uh, very well. And the lots of knowledge they give me knowledge. And I really appreciated all the teachers. But right now as a sixth semester, one of the best teachers is the Akash sir. By I'm saying, instead of all the things, they are the this teacher. I'm talking about Akash sir. His nature is very different. He's very is very or we can say our language cruise, but in the form of studies they're teaching too much well. Simply saying, if someone want to clear their basics about that any kind of programming, any kind of language, they're doing very well. You know, what to say, they are studying as uh, internet web programming in between. The subject between the internet web program is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and I think that's it. So they explaining very well. I'm differently saying, when I'm trying to sometimes when all the teachers are saying something teaching us something teaching us, I just understand, but they can't cover our basics. But this teacher is different. He is very incredible teacher, because of he cover all the basics. If uh, his style of teaching is different, I'm very proud. I'm very but I can say that. But you won't understand what I'm saying. I'm very happy to see the teacher is teach us, because of they cover most of kind of the basics. Sometimes I just forget what are the some kind of topics. This is simple, but I doesn't realize I forget that topics. So when he tried to teach us that topics, I just forget. But his style of teaching is that good, that much good. I doesn't in my side from my side, he's a very good teacher. So that's it, guys. That's about my teacher. So describe a skill you want to learn, guys. You all are know what I'm focusing for my data science journey, and cover my all the related skills that has between in this journey, in data science journey. So right now I'm learning a machine learning, statistics. The two topics are majorly I'll covered, that help me to cover my all mathematical concept, like I'll tell you what I'll done today. Correlation, uh, I just forget. Correlation, covariance, and box plot, five numbers. There are lots of factors, statistics concepts, and I'll try to learn that how to build a model, the scikit-learn, the what are the modules at at that point. Basically, I just and if I'm trying to, if you want to learn skill, I want to learn basically machine learning right now, and I'm working on it, guys. But another skill I want, after that, I just want to how to be a how to smartly use a git for our github. I'll just start. I'll push my apply code to the github, and but how I learn this professionally, how I use professionally in a git, I doesn't understand, I doesn't right now understand. But I'll work for it, because I you all know I buy a course. At that point they are try to teach us how to use a uh, git in our daily life, our daily projects. So I just learn it. But I just easily know what are the repositories, what are readme files, how to code push in a github. That's a that's I understand. So that's, I just right now I'm telling you. Okay, just give me what I will pull a new cue card. uh, I just try to find a new card that can help me to be a confidence, to be a new speaking skill enhance. Okay, hometowns, I don't hometowns. No, 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 no. They are trying to ask me, uh, describe your favorite car, guys. I'm talking about my favorite car. My favorite car is Varna, Hyundai Varna. I love this car because of the main reason to buy this car, to love this car. This is a family car, and I want that car that we are reputed when I try to go something in that car. I look like a very reputed, and doesn't buy that much that car that couldn't comfortable for my family, for myself. That's why I try to choose. And really, instead of all the parts, I really like this car. because they look very much, they are very good look and a good engine. I really tell you, I doesn't know about the full about that car, but at the real look like I love this car. But when I try to buy this, I'll learn everything. But at the what is the part of that car? I mean to say, what are the every details in car? I'll just learn it. I'll just check it after that I buy it. So that's my dream car right now, guys. You all know dreams are changed because of when you are in a that places right now. For example, I'm in right now at that place, but when you are go to at that places, your dream is yeah, at that point. But when you are going to at that place, dream are too much big. So dreams are changed, but right now my dreaming car is Hyundai Vana, and I love that. And I try to buy this car. I'm working on it. So that's it, guys. Thanks. Mm, okay, okay. Describe my favorite food. Favorite food. The food is mm, when I try to, I have lots of foods. I don't doesn't have the particular favorite food, but I really I want to eat non-veg. I love non-veg, guys. And previous 8 to 9 months, I doesn't eat a non-veg, and I really uh, I mean to say crucial part to eat a non-veg. So that's a and okay. Describe movie you like. Guys, I recently watched last movie. Uh, mm, Last movie is Durandar. Maybe hi Durandar, and I like that. I love that movie because of at that movie they are showing us how the terrorists are attacked in our India, and how to defend our Indian country to kill this that terrorist. And this is a real based story. And one person name, I doesn't remind his name, but he is going to another country. Doesn't give a name that country. I think that be a copyright for me. So you understand what I'm saying. Durandar movie on which type of based that movie. So I'm trying to say that country. Some if one our soldier are going as a form of mm, what I can say. Uh, they are going at another country. We can say how to say jasus in English. So you understand what I can say. So that's a based on movie how they uh, help our Indian soldier to be a helping theirs, and how they information get the information and go to our and tell our Indians to be a very helpful for us how terrorists are attacked in our country. So they will tell at the starting. So that's a part, guys. And I think guys, describe a place you wanna visit. Guys, I wanna visit a place. Is a lots of I wanna visit all of the places in our India, all of the places in all the country. How that much possible? I try to see everything. I try to go every new places that we because I'm truly saying I'm very uh, happy to go to a journey, uh, to find a new places, to try to uh, have, try to go to a new places that help me lots of, guys, to be a refresh my mind. Basically, I'm simply saying I go to everywhere in my India, in my states, in my country, in other country. I'll be a go for visit. So this is the most because of when I try to, in simply words, if firstly I'm go to visit another country, Dubai. This is very futuristic country. This is a very safe country, and this is very too much kind of futuristics museums, futuristics things. There are lots of high tech buildings, high techs. There are AI generations at that point. I love this country, guys. So I try to visit that country. But I love India genuinely, but there are lots of factors. At that point, I'll just saying it is not good for me because of India is very zero civic sense person, guys. I understand government is not uh, doing something for us that much well, but Indian person are not good because of, if we don't have any, take any opportunity, take any, I want to say, uh, responsibility. If we are not take any responsibility for our country, so how country works for us? So basically, uh, there are lots of person, they are zero civic sense, they are doing everything. Also, mean to say, at some points I just very disappointed about my country because there is a, for example, there are 100%, only 1 to 2% are saying that's a work for our country, and 98% person doesn't take a responsibility. They are trying to say, just forget that, it's just a myth and blah blah blah. So that's a part, guys. If you're trying to be a, I just if right now I'm saying I'm going to Dubai, but why I saying, because of their spirit, their working, their government, their person, and that one person, they are trying to best their country. Because if you are going to be a best your country, so someone are saying, yes, this country is good, I'm trying to visit that country, so that is very impactful for us. Because when someone uh, other country person have visited our India, so our GDP is definitely growing. Because of when someone are saying, this country is very beautiful, they are trying to buy in our country, and they are giving that much money in our country, they are trying to put up another money in our country. So that's spirit, guys. So I'm trying to saying ki, I'm trying to saying, just forget all the things, and but for try to be a, you are a good person in your country, and you just try to something new for your country. Because it doesn't mean, it doesn't mean if you're trying to do, doesn't, I just not realize what I'm saying, but you are listening what I'm saying, guys. So I think that's much for today. A little bit fluctuating, but I like to be a confident speaking in front of camera, guys. And I'm speaking, I'm saying not much well, but I'm speaking that really good at instead of my first video. Right now I'll be a good speaker, I think, and I'm trying to improve myself. And as usual, guys, I'll recording myself every day. That help me lots of to be a confidence, to build my confidence, to be a enhancing my English skill. And sometimes fluctuating, but that's a parts of learning. When you are trying to learn something, that definitely impact your some kind of parts, like for example, I'm trying to learn, I'm trying to learn machine learning. So there are lots of factors, I learn a new things when I something, for example, I learn about 5 number series. After 2 to 3 days, I just realized I forgot what the name of that box plot, 5 numbers. That's a life of what you have forget. You will again learn it. You will again remind your mind. It's it's very impacting on mind. It's definitely so. That's a life of what, guys. I just realized it's been my one of the best decision to recording myself, because that helped me lots of to recording to be a build my confidence to be a good speaking skill in English. So I think it's happened good, and I'm trying to best myself from my side, and God know me how I'm trying to be a success in my life, to want a success. I want a success in my life. So just work on it, guys. You are all trying to new things, uh, working for your skills, working hard work. Just know about your parents in your forehead, your mind, in some subconscious mind. When you are trying to be a just I just I think it's be a empathy. My words are empathy. I don't have any too much but to speaking. So that, thank you guys so much, guys. Just comment me, but I can done more for my videos, guys. Okay, bye. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.